You might think loneliness is just feeling a little sad, but in your brain, it's treated like a threat to survival. Your body literally starts falling apart the longer you're isolated. We're talking about increased inflammation, brain shrinkage, memory loss, even a higher risk of death than obesity or smoking. And here's the kicker: loneliness is exploding worldwide. Let's break down exactly what it does to your body. The science of loneliness. Your brain is wired for connection, not optional, essential. When you lack it, the amygdala, your brain's fear center, goes into overdrive. You become more alert to threats, more anxious, more irritable. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex, which helps with logic and decision making, starts to decline. Chronic loneliness raises cortisol, the stress hormone, and your immune system enters a state of low-grade inflammation, the kind linked to heart disease, dementia, and even cancer. Studies from Harvard and the NIH found that lonely people are 30% more likely to die prematurely. Not from suicide, just from the body wearing itself down over time. It's not just in your head. Loneliness gets under the skin. So why is it getting worse? More people live alone now than ever before. In the US, over 35 million adults live by themselves. Social media, remote work, and urbanization give the illusion of connection, but not the real thing. You scroll, you like, but your brain doesn't register that as bonding. After COVID, the problem exploded. Even young people, teens and 20-somethings, report record high levels of loneliness. In 2023, the US Surgeon General declared loneliness a public health crisis. And globally, countries like Japan and the UK have even appointed ministers of loneliness. Yes, that's a real job. What it does to you over time. The longer it lasts, the worse it gets. Lonely people are more likely to develop Alzheimer's, more prone to addiction, and suffer from weaker immune systems. Sleep quality drops. Appetite changes, and brain scans show reduced gray matter in areas tied to empathy and emotional regulation. In other words, the longer you're isolated, the harder it becomes to reconnect, because your brain stops knowing how. It's a vicious cycle. So, can you reverse it? Here's the good news. Yes. The brain is plastic. It can rewire. Even small things help. Regular phone calls, volunteering, group exercise, therapy. One UCLA study found that just 15 minutes of genuine interaction a day was enough to reduce biological markers of loneliness. But it takes intentional effort. You can't scroll your way out of loneliness. You have to actually connect. And if you're feeling it, you're not weak. You're human. Your brain just wants what it's always needed: other people. Loneliness isn't just a feeling. It's a signal, like hunger or thirst. And if we ignore it, the damage goes deep. So reach out, for real. It could literally save your life. If you like the video, like and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another video.